Hello guys, welcome to my video with I am Fresh Lol.
Let's go. We're gonna play Minecraft.
Yes. Hardcore. First time recording. Whoa. Oh wait.
Why are you gonna die, dude?
No.
Ah!
Never die. Never die. Woo. Oh my gosh, there's big berry bush. Where? It grows. It grows. Where? It grows. You're tired, friendly. You are tired and you are friendly. Cave. Fresh cave.
Let's go.
It's
Oh,
not
no,
actually fresh.
I get all of.
I don't know.
But I get all of iron there.
Oh, iron. Wait! This is a total scam!
Where I got scammed.
Bro, I got scammed! I'm gonna sue Mojang for this. Just joking.
Love how?
Oh, no. We don't need hoe.
We need.
Oh. Jesus.
Don't tahod.
Oh no, it's growing. Be careful around the berry bushes. Because it's growing and it damages you. No, it didn't. Wala. It damages you. Confirmed. Franken for no reason. Where's the furnace? Oh yeah. Crafting table. Extra crafting table. In my part of the house.
We need some iron pen.
What the freak is that?
We need one.
Oh, wrong button. Wait. Here. Wait, not that again. There. Nagulat naman.
We need to do
What the freak? Oh my gosh, I got scared again. Oh my, it's just trash. Yeah, I will find. Oh, no, this is not chicken.
Oh! We need that.
Yes, I killed.
No. Here.
Where here?
There.
Oh. Another berry bush. There's so many berry bushes. Yes. There's a lot. Oh. Ow. So yummy.
Oh, we need compass. We're gonna need some go to cave.
No, I died many times. In cave by swimming in lava. I thought it was fantastic. No, the drink.
Oh.
I thought it was fantastic. I was trying to drink it.
I didn't drink
Lava. What should I?
I don't know.
What? Where do I place berry bush? There's a lot of berry bushes now. Did I jump scared? How do I get berry bushes? Oh, berry bush. This is kind of a cave. This is a maze. What have you done to my house? Hello, I have give you this. Bro, look. There, I hid it. Goodbye. No, it's gonna drown. No. No, bro, it's gonna drown. Stop it. There. That's the drown. He's not drown. Damn, it's stuttering. This is the berry bush. Berry bush only here.
No. Bless you.
Thanks. How do I collect berry bushes? Wood.
Yo.
Who's eating? What is that sound? Are you okay? Why? Ow! Berry bush are... Oh! Ow.
Sa akin yan. Yung alin?
The background
Akin
noises!
Akin din yan. Ayun yung binigay sa akin ni mama.
Ignore the background noises. Steak for you.
Tanong mo pa si mama.
And then go to the berry bush. Forbidden land. Help me! My heart's yung aso na sa akin. Oh, so cute. No. Hello. Gonna explore, bruh. Ow. Hello, pig. I come to get your flesh. Bye, pig. No. I need that. Ah! Jesus!
Penging wall, di ako makalis.
Wait. I need this is my food now. All of it. This is mine. Oh, hi. I'm gonna feed you. Stop. No. Okay, fine. No food for you. Come on. Did you put that tall wood? Oh, that's a tower.
Let's go. We're gonna build something.
Did you build that?
Oh, yeah.
I can't hit. My button's broken. There. Oh. It's night. Oh, are you okay? Kaka!
Huwag ka dyan dumaan. Huwag ka dyan dumaan.
No!
Aw. Block.
Hindi, you can't. It's a half a block, half a block. It's half a block. How I'm gonna die? But we need skeleton.
This bed is occupied.
What? Hello, you're awake.
This bed is occupied.
What the frick? I'm scared. There's a ghost. Occupying my bed.
Sobrang yaman ko.
Eat more. If you eat more, no stress. Is gold? Is gold a useless? I can't
Really got gold.
use. Creeper.
I think we need hoppers.
I am smart, bro.
No. Huwag mga tayong babackstep ko. Yung babackstep tayo yung diba?
There, kill it. I'm so smart. No. Why did you break it?
Pala dito.
Look! Dito, here.
Dito naman ako kami.
Look. Wait, look. Look at me. Look at me. Okay. Look at me. Look at me.
Oh, what the?
I fell. Look at me again. Look at me. Wait. Attempt to. This time I can make it. Actually, I can make it. Look at me. I can fly. It's okay.
Mamatay ka.
No.
Hindi ka na masaktan. Parang hindi ka na
It's okay. I have farm. Another. It's just a little bit. Hi, Fox. Ano tayo? Hey! Ow. I get. I'm gonna slow you down. Let's slow down.
ito na. Wala.
Wait lang.
I have that one.
Dirt.
So. Dito pa.
What did the fuck say?
Oh my god.
What?
Hindi lang sa ilalim.
I should break this. This is. If I need to clutch, I should break this. This specific thing.
Hindi ko. Oh, ayan.
Look. I can clutch, bruh. With berries this only. Where are you? Are you looking at me? Look. I can. Look at me, bruh. Look at me. I can.
Ay, ba't mo mamatay ako dito?
Where are you? I have no water bucket. You have water bucket.
I need help too.
Why? I have a golden sword that comes from ruined portal. Are you okay?
Hindi,
I think not.
a pro. We are human.
Yes, we are humans.
Oo.
Humans are horses. Ay,
Sakay pa ako sakay.
where are you, bro?
Dito.
Ow.
Okay?
Yes. I can berry bush clutch. I did it again. Bro, I'm so I'm so proud. Bro, I'm so proud.
Tingnan natin ang pig.
That was exact.
We need some cow too.
Cow.
And sheep.
Sheep.
Big sheep.
Pink. That was rare, though.
Wala nga dito. Oh,
Yeah.
dog!
Oh my gosh, I did it again!
And
I did it again.
and some.
Where are we going? Where are we going, bruh? Help, I'm drowning. Thank you. Oh, wait, there's water. Bruh. I am pro at coal mining. I love coal.
Yes.
Oh gosh.
We know. Ay, yun. Nga pala.
What the freak?
Talong ka dun sa water, oh. Oh, what a clutch.
What was the clutch? No.
Sakto ka.
Nakagulat. Tira! My sword is broken.
No.
Is that? No. That's not iron. It's Timo iron.
Sino yung base natin?
We don't know.
What the f...
I have dirt.
Ay. We need
Stone. No. I have coal. I don't know. What the freak? I think I found 64 coal.
Rah! Dalag mo dyan. Mojang! Dalag mo, Mojang.
Why?
So, kainin yung berries.
Just look up and eat it, not look down. I think there's 64 coal? Question mark? No, it's not 64. Ah, I thought it was 64 plus 10 earlier. Wait, there's 2 more. There.
Ito na ako, Mojang. Ayun!
Can I clutch? Can I clutch again? Yes. This is my favorite clutch.
Me, water clutch.
Me berry clutch. It's kind of hard. It's more harder, I think.
Oh. Nasaan na ulit yung bahay?
I don't know. I'm gonna ask you the same question. Find the tower or something.
You find the tower.
I'll follow you. Wait, I'm not following. I have no dog.
Okay. You have to go follow me.
I know.
Oh,
I know where you are.
pag nawawala ka na. Wala ka dyan.
Oh. Oh.
O, di ba? Na-practice mo naman.
Oh, I am stupid.
Look! Ito na. Mushroom.
Yes.
We have mushroom.
Oh, another mushroom. Two
Ang
mushrooms.
dami yan.
Clutch time! Wee. Luckily, there's still.
You can only sleep at night or during
What the
thunderstorms.
freak? Ignoring my phone.
Ito malagay isang phone. Ito yung isa.
Again, I am having brain damage. What the freak? Hurt me.
Isa, ano lang? Tapos dito may iba. 4. There's 11. For ano natin? Oh, 36!
Why? I am charitable.
What the fuck?
No, I'm gonna feed you, bro. Let me tell you.
Pinalaki mo naman.
I got jump scared. What the freak? No, wait. We trapped him. We trapped him. What have you done?
Hindi ko alam sa kanya. Kaya nagkasa sa sarili mo.
No, what have you done?
Why? Why me?
No, I was joking.
Why me?
Almost kissed the fire again.
Baka sabi try to swim fire.
Try to taste that. I hate freaking cherry bush. I need cherry bush though.
You hate.
No, I need.
What the fuck? Yes.
Are you okay?
Oh, ano yun?
Campfire.
Layo! Oh, dito naman.
I don't know. Might be a skeleton. Might be though. Just might be. Let me up! So yummy. Clutch time!
Wala kang papagkain.
Hello. Where's my food? Can I cook rotten flesh? Oh,
Bed is too far away. You can only sleep at night or during thunderstorms.
no! I thought I was lucky.
Ano naman yung lagi na?
Oh, I need. No, that was mine.
Ano ba naman yan?
I can breathe! Ah!
Ano yun? Mga video ko sa
You can only
Oh,
sleep at
yeah.
night or during thunderstorms. You can only sleep at night or during thunderstorms.
Dito na tayo maninihira na kayo.
What?
Hindi ka sabi ko.
What? I have book. I have notebook. We need bamboo. For bamboo.
Wala
No.
tayo mga kabili dyan. Wala pa kasi tayo ano?
I can collect.
Kompas.
I can't! Bruh. Okay, we are back. Cherry bush. Is that cherry bush? Sweet berries. Why do I call them cherry bush? Oh, everything hurts! Everything hurts. I need help. Everything hurts. Including my knees. Got jump scared. Ah! I am not half a heart, but please don't do that again.
Ano? Ito na ata yung ano natin.
Should I end the video?
No.
30 minutes left before I end. 30 minutes, not 30 minutes, 4 minutes.
1 hour.
What? I can't. I can't though.
Matay ka.
Oh my gosh.
Hardcore tayo yan.
Yes. I should not trying to risk my life for sweet berries. I always nearly die. I have 4 hearts. I should not move. I should not move a single time.
Dapat ito bilang panggamit mo. Yung drop ko na.
Yung what?
Yan yung panggamit ko sa red berries.
What? How? Oh no, shuffle.
Iron.
How do I collect? Yes. Let me expand the chair.
Here. I gonna
Sweet berries.
I gonna kill you.
Okay. That it was me. Honestly, time to end the video. There's nothing interesting now.
Why?
It's just day 1.
Okay.
Okay, so how do I
Why?
Goodbye guys. Hope
Bye bye.
you hope
In episode 2.
yes, bye bye.